Yeah, I been doing this for a little bit, and I told my brother when she came down the aisle, he would cry. No, Pastor, I won't do that. I was wrong. Before she got to the door, listen, I want you all to, if you can just listen real close. This is the sound of all eyes being on you. This is the way I believe God had it in the garden when he created Adam and put Adam to sleep and then brought to him his bride, Eve. So see, the time that you weren't with Allana, you were just asleep. And the Lord told you it's time to wake up, but it's not good for you to be alone. So he sent Allana to you.
Became a fine young man.
To the Brodies, thanks for just being around, man. Knew y'all since I was young boy, some of y'all since college, but I'm glad y'all all my groomsmen. Y'all make my life fun. I know it's a lot of jokes, a lot of arguments and everything, but y'all my boys for life, so let's just get it done today and just have fun. Allana, with you, I feel like I truly found someone that will always look out for my best interest and never steer me in the wrong direction. You motivate me to be the best me I could possibly be. Our openness to trying new things and finding the adventures in life is one thing I truly cherish about this relationship. We always seem to find the fun in the little things and made a lot of memories from it, with many more to come. You make the good times great and the tough times a little bit easier. There's still a part of me that can't believe I'm the one that gets to marry you. Here are a few things that I promise to you. No matter what, I promise I will be there for you in any situation. Whether you need a brain to bounce an idea off of, a shoulder to cry on, or a laugh during a dull moment. I will respect you, encourage you, and cherish you for the rest of our lives. From this day forward, you will not walk alone. I love you.
Kyle, I thank God every day for bringing you into my life. You are the joy in my heart, the smile on my face, and the love of my life. There are so many things that I love about you. I love your unfailing confidence in any situation and your hard work ethic. I love your genuine kindness and positive way you look at life. I love that you embrace everything about me and encourage and support all of my aspirations. Thank you for showing me the true definition of unconditional love, dedication, and companionship. As we start our new life together, I promise to always be faithful and honest. I promise to comfort you, celebrate you with you, and walk beside you through whatever life brings. For years I have prayed that God would lead me to his choice, and I'm confident that his will is being fulfilled today. I can't wait to grow together, getting to know the man you will become, while falling more in love with you each day. Today I give you my hand, my heart, and my love, now and forever.
Mr. and Mrs.